Okay, Father. Um, is there anything else from my book that you would like to discuss? Because I did write 12 books, and there's one of them that I wrote in particular called Selected Writings, which was the best in my work that you felt was representative of my work. Is there anything you'd like for me to talk about in Selected Writings, Father? An overview of the Dewey Decimal System? Okay, let me see if I can remember it. I organized the Dewey Decimal System. I worked for the Jackson Public Library for 15 years, and I walked around thinking, wow, I'm an information scientist. This is cool. So after 15 years and I'm retiring from the library, here's what I came up with organizing the Dewey Decimal System. First of all, we have the 700, which is artwork. We experience life. Then the 500, which is science. We seek to understand life. The 600s, we experiment, that's cooking and sex and stuff like that. We experiment. Then we go to, let me see if I can remember, the 300s, which is like sociology and etiquette, stuff like that. We seek to refine. Then we go to the 400s, which is language. We seek to educate. Then we go to the 200s, which is religion. We seek eternal life. And finally, we go to the 100s, which is like computer science and library science and philosophy and stuff like that. And then finally the 900s, which is history. And of course the 800s last, which is great literature. And of course I've read all of the Iris Murdoch. Oh, she doesn't count. Excuse me. I did read her. I mean, Woolf, Austen, Hugo, Tolstoy, Dostoevsky, Dumas, and of course Hemingway, Faulkner, Steinbeck, and everyone, all the great poets like Keats, Byron, Shelley, Wordsworth, Rilke, who else? Frost, Mary Oliver, and anyone else, Father, that needs mentioning in this little clip? Or should I just keep going with the autobiographies I've read, like Gandhi and Malcolm X and Martin Luther King, and the autobiography of a yogi by Yogananda, which is very useful because it has some interesting information about Hindu resurrections, which I talk about in another chapter in this book. Anything else, Father? Okay.